Welcome to part 5 of Percepta's Microsoft Copilot training series. In this final session, we'll focus on how to write powerful prompts and use Copilot across apps to streamline real workflows. Copilot responds best to clear, detailed instructions. Here's how to improve your prompts. Start with an action verb. Use commands like summarize, create, analyze, explain, or rewrite. Add context. Tell Copilot what the content is and who it's for. Example: summarize this proposal for an executive audience. Be specific about format. Say, in 3 bullet points, in table format, or as a professional email. Iterate. If the result isn't perfect, refine it. Example: make it shorter, or add example. Cross-app workflows. Copilot can connect your work across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. For example, use Word to draft a report. Ask Excel to analyze the report's data. Use PowerPoint to create slides summarizing the finding. Send a Teams message or Outlook email sharing those insights. Everything stays linked within your Microsoft 365 environment, letting you move from creation to communication seamlessly. Real-world use cases. Project managers generate project timelines, task summaries, and progress reports. Sales teams summarize client meetings, create proposals, and draft follow-ups. Executives review key insights from reports and generate decision summaries. Operations teams automate data analysis, reports, and updates across departments. Across this series, we've learned what Copilot is and how it integrates with Microsoft 365, how to use it in Word, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, how to build strong prompts that get better results, how to use Copilot for real-world collaboration and automation. Copilot is designed to enhance the way you already work, freeing you from repetitive tasks and helping you focus on creativity, insight, and decision-making. Thank you for joining Percepta's Microsoft Copilot 101 series. We encourage you to explore Copilot across your tools and continue experimenting with new ways to make your workday faster, simpler, and smarter.